Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to improve iPhone performance on iOS 26. Let's get started. For secure stories, go to Settings, on Phone, tap on General, then iPhone Stories. If the storage is almost full, delete unused apps, old photos or videos. iOS slow down when storage is tight, so freeing up space can make a big difference. Next, close app running in the background. Swipe up button of your screen and then swipe away the app you are not using. This helps your iPhone focus on what matters. Another tip is to update your iPhone. Go to Settings, General, then Software Update. Apple often releases updates that fix bugs and improves speed, so keep your iOS 26 up to date is important. Also turn off background app refresh or apps you don't need constantly updating. Go to Settings, then General, then tap on background app refresh and turn off app you rarely use. This saves processing power and battery life. Now let's tweak animations. Go to Settings, Accessibility and tap on Motion, then Reduce Motion and turn it on. This reduces fancy animations and make your iPhone feel snappier. So that's it. Free up storage, close unused apps, update iOS, reduce background activity and restart regularly. Your iPhone on iOS 26 will feel faster and more responsive. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.